All right, first up this morning, are you throwing a New Year's Eve bash tonight? If you need some last-minute ideas on what to serve, we've got the perfect guest. Here to help is cookbook author Courtney Hill.
Hello.
Happy pre-2026 to you.
Yes, you too.
Are you ready for it?
I am. I'm excited. This is America's 250th, so
Yeah.
I'm super excited.
Yeah, I'm excited for it as well. So many things that I'm just looking forward to in 2026. One of them being the hostess with the mostest. Or tonight, maybe someone wants to be the best, party goer. So what are some ideas?
I've got some tips for you. Okay, so I have some fun appetizers, and then I've got a couple tips. So I'm throwing in some old school party
We like
appetizers. I think it was kind of maybe back in the 70s. So my friend and I, we do a different decade party each year.
That's nice.
So I've gone through all the decades,
Okay.
and I remember these. My mom used to make these. They're little party breads, and they are rye. They're super cute. You can't find them everywhere, but they're super fun. And then this is kind of like a cheeseburger type thing.
Okay.
It's Velveeta. It's ground beef, couple seasonings, and you just put them on the little breads.
Okay.
Super cute. I also have meatballs here.
Can't go wrong with meatballs.
I know, and apparently it's coming back, but this has always been a classic mixture of grape jelly and your barbecue sauce.
My line sister, when I was in college, she would make her meatballs that way.
Yes.
And at first, I didn't understand the process or, understand the ingredients, but it tasted so good. So I'm a believer now.
It just adds that little bit, and apparently it's on TikTok now.
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
yeah.
And I was like, well, that's old. That is an old.
Leave it to TikTok to bring stuff back, right?
I know, that is an old party trick that is up every hostess's sleeve.
Yeah.
It's just adding a little grape jelly to your barbecue for your meatballs. And I made these at home, so you can buy them, of course.
Sure.
But it's kind of nice to just make them a little bit. We also have charcuterie cups, which are
like
super
that.
fun.
With the chocolate.
Yes, and so if we want to make some of these, I've got some salami here.
It's like a charcuterie board on a stick.
Olives, pickles, and then the other one is brie and prosciutto and grapes, and then a little sourdough.
Okay.
And you literally just take the toothpick and you make them.
Easy peasy.
I know, and they look so cute, and people can just grab them instead of having to, kind of stand around the charcuterie board. They can just grab.
Because I'm always, when it comes to the charcuterie board, I'm always looking like, what do I want to get? Is that the cheese that I want? So yeah. And then grab and go. I like that.
Yeah. Super fun, super cute. And I got these little toothpicks on Amazon. They look like disco balls. Super cute.
Yeah, okay.
I chose a clear cup because that way they can see everything that's in it.
Exactly.
And just add a few little extras. These are chocolate-covered pretzels.
Ooh, I love that.
You've got the breadsticks, and then these fun little dark chocolate.
What's this?
It's got liqueur in the middle.
Oh.
And dark chocolate. It's very good and just super fun. Just add that to your little charcuterie cup. Look at that.
That is neat.
Super
I like
fancy.
this. This is a different take on a charcuterie board.
Yeah.
Like I said, just a grab and go. Make it easier. Okay, so what do we have right here?
This is my famous spinach artichoke dip, and that's kind of throwing it back there too because it's been around for a while.
I love a good spinach and artichoke dip.
But yeah, it's got the secret ingredient is a little bit of Miracle Whip.
Really?
So good. You add that with the mayonnaise and the cream cheese, and I used fresh spinach instead of frozen, so I sauteed that down with some onions, and we've got it with tortilla chips or bagel chips or pita chips.
This is spinach artichoke dip with some love for sure.
Yes.
Well, Courtney, thank you so much for stopping by. These are definitely some good menu items to have on at your party tonight. But Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year too.
Thank you.